Hey guys and girls, this is Snowwie and welcome to Delta Disasters Part 24. Yes, I know it has been a while ago, nearly 2 weeks, because I had to work in on the new job. Yeah, and that took a lot of time, and now I have weekend, it's Sunday, and I thought to myself, let's record part 24 of Delta Disasters. And I also had been recording the other one, the Woody Woodpecker, for which I have also an episode. So yes, I have been a little bit busy, the last time, but yeah, so we finally have some time for this Delta Disasters thing. And in the last episode, if I remembered correctly, we expanded the city sort of by enabling a residential area over here with like a lovely pedestrian path, and the ships are just getting underneath it. You can see, just touching, no, and look at the amount of people that are walking across this little lovely bridge. Don't fall off, you nearly fell off, you idiots. Look at those idiots. Oh, imagine jumping this high. Anyway, so they're going here for some reason. I don't know what is so interesting about here, because this is a cargo airport, isn't it? Right? Let me have a look. Yeah, cargo airport. Okay, so where are these guys going? Are they going to this metro? Yeah, they're going to this metro. That would appear that there is no metro system in place over here. Let me have a look for that closely before I'm actually starting. No, there is no metro here, so they run for this metro over here, so they get into the city. Anyway, in the last episode I said something about, okay, let's make an ore industry over here. Now before I do it, I will enable something, which I always disable in Woody Woodpecker, which are of course the disasters. So we turn on use dynamic weather, use random disasters, and we put them to maximum. And let's hope for the best, because this is Delta Disasters. So we turn it on and we press play again. Now, how to make this into a nice, lovely ore industry? Now, well, I have no idea, but let's just start simple. Let's just say like, okay, let's take this road. Let's see where we can go. First to the ground, and then we take this road and we just take it up into here to this area. Yes, everything is a little bit crooked and such on. I also want to use this road. Now let's think about this. Where does this ore need to go? Now it also needs to be exported. Where is the closest cargo airport, if we have one? Cargo airport. Cargo airport? Cargo airport, cargo train terminal. We have one over here. And it is connected to this line. So, and there is one. Okay, there are only two. Interesting. So we need to basically make one a separate one. Okay. Maybe we can do it right here, on this spot. Yeah, I have to think about that. Depends on how. Maybe more here. I don't know. Maybe depends on how this will, unfold. Now let me see. Do I have like a zone already in paint industry area? No, I did not. So let's paint this industry area like this. Yeah, that will do. Okay, now let's see. Let's just see and take this road. And you know what? Just go places, Also take a road here. And let's put that here and to there. And let's put somewhere that main building. I think we can put it just here. I think it's still inside the area. Now let's have a look. Oh, it is not. But now it is. Yay. Okay, ore. Now let me have a look. Ore. Main building. Okay, so we put that there. And we also take the maintenance building Let's put that on the side here. Yeah, okay, I can live with that. Okay, now let's first start with the extractors. Can we put them here? Is this enough? Okay, I'm going to be a little bit cheeky by saying put a little bit more ore in the ground over here. Sorry. Okay, now let's start small, because I always tend to use to start way too big with this stuff, and I think it's a bad thing to do. So let's take this medium ore mines. Okay, so I want them to drive to that direction actually. Yeah, that's so the first problem already arises. That means like I have to delete this road, and we are going to use a one-way road here for just this area, like that, and we can just go to that. Okay, that will work out nice. Okay, let's take this, these ones, and we put a few of these guys. Let's say one over there, and then one over there, and can we squeeze another one in here with that road there? Ooh, not really. Well, it can be if we move this one a little bit to the side. How much actually, I don't know. This 3. Okay, so it will work if we take this one and we move this one a little bit like that. Yeah, that's okay. So for all intents of purposes of how you say it, the random disasters is on. Okay, so keep that in mind. It can happen at any moment. Now these guys, let me see, they will produce some ore, and they take it to here, to the left. And let me think for a moment. Now we take this road again, and we say like that. And then turn this around. Now, I don't hear anything about tsunamis or whatever, so I have to watch now and then. Like I said, because I have my amplifier down, because if I do not, then I cannot record my voice. I still need like a solid microphone for my computer, so I can record the gameplay and also this video at the same time. So okay, 400,000, 300,000, 15 trucks, 12 trucks. You know what, I take this one, because the space is limited, so I say I don't want any congestion there, so I'm putting this there, putting that one over there, and putting that one over there. Now we have like production, we have like balanced ore storage. Okay, they can go to the right now here, and now we need like some form of production, buildings, factories. Okay. Okay, so they also need to be on the right side on the road. The right side, so we put this a little bit further. Okay, we are dealing a little bit with that road, but let's go like that. Now let's see, how big are these roads? If I remember correctly, the rotary kiln plant, the fiberglass option, these are big buildings. Maybe we can do it with the smaller ones. Yes, I think so. How big are these? Yes, these are like pretty long. And this one is, okay, it's not that big. Okay. Now let's take this road again. And we will go from here to somewhere there. We will figure that out, and also take this road, which goes just up like that. So they can always go back. I have said that often before, also in Woody Woodpecking, about trucks that are able to can get back, So Okay, let's start small with the ore grinding mill. We will put that over here. Then we take the glass manufacture. These are doing the same things, right? These create metals, yes, and these create fiberglass. Now I can put these together. Yeah, 4. And then again another one of this, 1, 4. 4 is, by the way, the number of blocks, like this. I cannot point it out, but that's the space I keep in between of them. Yeah, that's the general idea. Now, we do have like, well, a working situation over here. So the only thing that is now required is like getting this road, and let's take it further away. This one also. And how is the terrain actually doing here? Okay. Where is the closest train line? Is that this one? We don't have any export options over here. Now it would be nice if we created some kind of export option over here, over sea and also by train. Yes, and also to connect it to this highway as well. So let's first of all let's connect these two up. Okay, that's number one. We also need like storage for this export. So I'm creating, let me see, a road in between here, not too close to each other actually. From here to, this is not completely straight. Yeah, that will do nicely. Now we need storage. I'd rather use the smaller ones. So let's say 1, 2. How much space is in between here? I cannot. Okay, guessing work. Ah, perfect. I like it. Okay. Can we make this a one-way road? Yeah, I think we can. Yeah, like that. And also the other way around. Okay, let's take this. Now this building is 6 blocks high, so I need to make sure that I have the space for 6 blocks, which I have in this situation. This will go the other way around. Now we turn this around. We take the same warehouse again, but then from the other side. Here, and here. Okay, now we are going to fill these things up with the things that the ore will produce for us. That is, like in this case, glass and glass, but also metals and metals, yes, metals. So they can go places and store their stuff. So let's just see how this will pan out. Things about, you know, parking and all that kind of stuff, that we will deal with later. Maybe also the appliance of roundabouts. Maybe, I'm not sure. These guys can just go around without too much issues. First we have to make sure that these guys can export. Now let me have a thought about that. They can export, yeah, through the ocean, the highway, or actually also by train. Now I do also see a train line here. Yeah, it also goes out. Or I take this train line over here. Choices. I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to take, what is it? Let me see. I'm going to take this road over here. And, whoa, jumpy game. Let me have a look at this. They will go there. They can just go back without issues. So I say like, okay, you go away. Whatever happens, they will go there, or there. So okay, I'm taking now a somewhat larger road because I think it's needed. And take this and go there, go there. Let's see what we are encountering here. Okay, so I want to go to this little alcove here because I want to make a... yeah. I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the landscape editor and make like a little place where we can put like a harbor for export. Oh, that goes pretty fast. Maybe a little bit too fast, but let's decrease the strength a little bit, also the size, and let's also flatten this out. That's too... I need to flatten this out a little bit, otherwise I cannot put a harbor there. Maybe this key wall, which I placed it. No, that's not a key wall. What is that? Oh, that's actually a street. That is not even a key wall. Ah, okay. Well, anyway, let's use a key wall here. Just a simple key wall, just like that. And this key wall can just go into... well, I don't know. Let's see where we can put it. Here, just in the ocean. And here I say like, let's do the same. Also into the ocean. Here we go. Now let's remove all the excessive dirt. Yeah, this is okay. So let's take the where is this thing? This thing. Cargo train terminal. No, we need a harbor. Sorry, we need this thing. Yes. Can we? Ooh, height too high. It still can connect. So come on. Yeah, thank you. Height too high? What? Okay. Well, anyway, let's use the move it mod and align this thing. Control H with the key wall. Cling! Done. Okay. Now, now the big question is, where are we going to put like this train line? I want to use also the export option of the train. Okay, we are going to do it. Take the train and let's see, can we put it sort of... why not just over the ocean? Or is that too much? Why would that be too much, you know? It's not that uncommon. Okay, let's first of all, let's make this come ashore properly. Okay, let's put this down. Oh man. Okay, let's take the bend it option and say like we are going to bend this towards the ocean like that. Hallelujah. Okay, so anyway. Well, remember we have like also this train line, this train track going also on the other end of the map. Now I'm a little bit afraid of going to put something outside of the map, so I'm going to save the game first, save, in order to be sure before doing this. Packaging, yeah, thank you. Now let's put this outside of the map. Yeah, it works, sort of. Great. Now we are using the electrics. Let's put this away. The electrics mod and say like, let's remove minus this node. Yeah. Also, you remove this node. Yes, and then with the move it mod, we are going to shiftify this node away from the edge of the map. So that means like the trains that are coming in will have the space. Now also what I want to do is like make some kind of little island here, because this is looking like, you know, hideous, you know. And also one over here, semi underwater. I'm happy. So let me have a look at this track. It is like, well, it's, look the amount of nodes that it's taking. And this is like looking hideous, completely hit the us. Okay, but I still want to keep the height of actually this whole thing. So how am I going to do it? Let's select this node, this node, this node, this node, and this node. Now I press Ctrl H, and then I align it with this thing. Okay, that's not too shabby. Right. You know what? Actually, yeah, it is a nice, nice incline. Great. So we are going to use now the landscaping mod to do a little bit about this messy jungle over here, because this is looking rather hideous. And also this road over here also looks a little bit strange, so we put it down. As if does not go anywhere. Then from here, okay, we want to go make it to this area, but also to this road as well. So let me have a look here. Is there space for a roundabout? I think so. So let's take this road again also and just bring it that way. I also bring it that way for unknown reasons. For unknown reasons, yeah, that's a good reason. For unknown reasons, I have decided to do it like that. Now let's bring this around the corner towards that, that area over there. Okay. Make sure that it ends up there proper. Okay, and from here we say like there. Well, is that straight? Not entirely, but okay, move it more to the rescue. So we did not have any disasters yet, am I? No, we don't. What is this? Just a patch of... Okay, well, whatever. Okay, where were we? Here. Okay, this place. Right, so we take the two-way, one-way road where do we have that thing? Here. And from here I say like, we go to the straight line. Just like that, and from here we go to there. Then we use the touch this mod, this one and this one. Yeah, so we replace it with this and this, this and this, and also we make sure that it's touching the ground. Thank you very much. So let me see, how much space do we have in between? 21, of course, naturally. So making a nice bend is not possible, unless of course we make the bend smaller, like for example 6 by 6. 6. So this is 6, so 6 by 6. And then from here we connect it to there. The reason this is like that is because the terrain is a little bit humpy bumpy, but we will live. Okay, let's take this also forward. Look at that terrain. I mean, that terrain is completely... Okay, anyway. Let me have a look, and also towards here. Let's flip this around like that. So, is this distance still like 21? It's 19! Okay, whatever, you know what, 6 by 6, there's totally no logic here anymore, 6 by 6, flip it around, and connect that up. Let's do something about it. This is hideous. That's hideous. Okay, come on. Let's take all of this stuff and just press Ctrl H and align it with this thing. Yeah, with the cargo harbor. Also do something about the terrain, because that is looking a little bigger. Oh, not too big. So yeah, this should be working. Sort of, I hope. Now the thing is, with this harbor is that it also requires services. So for that I need, like, for example, an eco incinerator be placed over here, and also it requires some fire department, so I put that also here. And police, yeah, police, I will put that over here, and maybe also some crematoria for, well, you never know, we put that here as well. Now the thing is, if you look at this, it's 2-lane and 2-lane. And actually what I'm going to do now is say I pick the 3-laner, and I will pick like 3 lanes, 3 lanes, 3 lanes, and 3 lanes. Then the connector, and I say here, you see what I'm meaning? So now these guys can go around if they want to. Yeah, that's the entire idea. Now let's see. You can go on, and you can go on, and well, everybody can go on. That's good. And here I want to put like a roundabout, so we press Ctrl O. Yeah, like that, so it disconnects. Oh man, does it ever stop, this misery? I have to connect it again. Come on. What? Oh, that's the wrong road. Okay, good work. Very good work. Also, I wanted this roundabout to be with these sound barriers. I don't know why, but sometimes I do like those. Great, so we have those. Yes, this is my own little junction that I created, and it poses now for some kind of challenge, because we have now this road, and we have this road, and we have like an in-between. So actually what we need is more a situation like this. And the sad thing is, probably I need to remove this entire thing. So just give me a moment, I will be right back. Okay, so I did some alterations, on this road, because I noticed that there was something fishy about it, but I noticed that it was diving down here in this pit, as it were. So first of all, let me make sure we are working with a straight road from roughly here to there. So we press Ctrl H, and let's align this with the same height. That will definitely help. Now I'm not sure what would happen if I say here, oh, not you, with this incline, if I say like from here, come on, from here to there, and then say like toolbox and then slope. Well, that's not that bad. Huh. I've seen more worse things in this game. Yeah, okay, let's use this and that will work out fine. Great. So we have like this road and we have like this road. Now the best thing that we can use is like a roundabout that goes over this area. We connect this up, we connect everything up. Let's make sure that this thing, well, I can move this thing up a little bit later. So we need a roundabout, that's for sure. So okay, I paused the game for a hot moment because I'm going to remove this. Whoa, it's a little bit too fast, too much actually. Also, I'm going to straighten out the ground a little bit, otherwise I cannot work properly over here. And I don't know, guys, about those disasters. I did not turn them off or something like that. It's not like the way I go. I mean, look, I still have them. Come on, I still have them active. Use random disasters on maximum settings, so it's not like I'm, yeah, if you know what I mean. It's not like I'm, cheating or something. No, that's not it. Control O. So we have like a 3-lane highway, which is okay to keep it sort of in line. How about now? Close. It seems so low, Anyway, this road, I think it needs to bend around, go around here. Now let's take this option, select this entire roundabout, and we are going to use these nodes to connect these on and off ramps to it. So we are going to turn it a little bit like that. Perfect. Now, like I said, we need to delete this piece, and that's the same kind of road, which is okay. Yeah. Now let's take this option, and let's make a curve of like 8 by 8. Then we go there, and then we do another 8 by 8. And now it's a matter of finding the spot. Do I have guidelines? No, I don't have any. Nothing at all. Nothing. No, really? No, since I mean, okay. I will manage. So I will do it on the fly. Oh, wait a second. This I need. Okay. Also 12, I need to be in the air of 12. Okay, so this eyeballing, 12 by 12, press home to go down, and that should suffice. What is this bend again? Oh yeah, 8 by 8, 8 by 8. Okay, we take this option, bend it around. What is this? This is a 9. Crappy hell. Crappy. Okay, let's move this a little bit. Come on. Okay, let's try it again. Can we make an 8? Now it's 10? What? 8 by... Jeez, you go away. Let's try this again. This is 8 by 8. Oh, I see. This is not completely... I see. Okay. It's trying to play games with me. Okay, let's put this right. Let's turn this option off. Now let's bring this to the right spot, which is here. Thank you. Yeah, like that, and this one to there. Great. Now let's use this option, the highway option, or is that too thick? Maybe, I don't know. Let's have a look. Now you can see already that the nodes are here. You see here and here, and that allows for a solid connection from here to there. Perfect. Okay, lane connectors, no U-turns here. Also here you can drive on, Great. Now we need to connect that highway up again, which is this one. Can we go underneath it? Yes, we can. Let's remove this. Take the bend option from here to there. Okay, this is the point where the bend begins. I don't know, let me see. I go from here to there. Nope, yeah, from here and then back again to there. That's nice. So let's bend this around. And where is the snapping angle? Here? Okay, so let's select this option, press play again, and let me, I don't know, need to alter this road a little bit somehow. And for some reason this is dipping down here. I don't know why, but let's bring that up a little bit. Yeah, to roughly the same height. So now look at that. You see, this highway is not going straight under that roundabout. Aye. Jumpy game also. How to fix that problem? Well, we can fix that by saying let's delete this, and this, and select the entire roundabout again from here to there. Come on, game, don't pester me. Why are you so chaotic? Like that, and then move this slightly forward. Now let's have a look. There's a pillar there, there's a pillar there, maybe only a bit. How about from this side? Let's have a look. Yeah, it could use a little nudge, something like that. Okay, now let's connect it up again and let's see how it pans out now. So you go there and you will go there. How about now? Oh, that's better. That's better. Much better. Now let's see this road. Okay, so this road will come in from the south, and I want this to be, you know, it would be nice if this would be at the same spot. What is this distance? This distance from here to there, it's like 7 units. Okay, so from here 7 units, so it would be here. Okay, bring it up. 12. Darn it, I need this option. 12, yeah, 12. Ah man, it's not wanting to go straight. Okay, I need to do it myself then. Home. Okay, this is going to be a 12 by 12, just like that. So this road is that close to the roundabout. Well, apparently it is. Okay, and let's connect this up to, where is that? Where are the nodes? Oh, here are the nodes. Okay, apparently. Oh, there's another roundabout there as well. Okay. Ooh, can we make this work? Let's hope. Now let's see, we turn this around and then from here we are going to bend this a little bit like that, and we remove this, select this option, and from here we are going to bend it slightly there. Ooh, it looks like nasty. Let's see what we can do with the move it more to bend this a little bit more into shape somehow. Yeah, it's not the most ideal road, you know, if you ask me. Okay, this is going like that. I think it could have been worse, so let's also do this. You go there. Carry on, carry on. No crossings, no crossings. Carry on, no crossings, no crossings. Did I do the same here? No. Carry on, no crossings, no crossings. And here is like no crossings, no crossings. Okay, now I would say I make a nice time lapse of connecting the highway to this roundabout, and I would say enjoy. So we managed to to create these on and off ramp, as you saw in the time lapse. Actually, these ramps are pretty steep, so we can change that. We can change that easily. We select the highway road, this highway ramp. We turn it into a elevated one. So we take this piece and this piece, which oh, wait a second, I need to select this and this. Now I do notice that this is a small section, so let's move this a little bit to that end, and we do the same over here as well. So we have like a node here, there and there. Now if I'm right, it's possible to select all these nodes with the shift button, like that, that and that, that and that, come on, and then say like slope objects. Look at that, nice, that's nice, except here a little bit of yeah, it's probably the terrain, I think itself. I can lower this a little bit, just a little bit of manual fixing, and because also this is not entirely straight, but okay, this will do. Now the roundabout itself. So let's select the priority signs, Control Shift click, here we go, and use the junction restrictions by turning off this option, turning on this one, turning on this on, turning off this one, turning on that one. Pick your lane. You stop, but you can pick your lane. Also, you can pick your lane here and here. Don't drive through the junction. And here, pick your lane wherever you want to go. And here it's the same story. Right. I think it's not bad. Look at all this traffic already. Look, I'm loving it. So how are these ships do? Whoa, look at the elevation. How can these ships be loaded from that height? I want to see this. That's a big ass crane, you know, to get those containers. Look at that. Oh man. You know about these tsunamis, well, currently we don't have tsunamis. It constantly says so, but where, I don't know. Yeah, okay, but all nice and well, but I don't see any tsunamis. That is so weird. It warns me for tsunamis, but there's no tsunami coming. I am kind of, I don't know actually, but sooner or later they will come. I think that let's see how this stuff is doing. So this is pretty simplistic. So what is he complaining about? Not enough raw materials. So these things are not producing enough, and these things are completely filled. How is that possible? How can they complain? Let me have a look. What am I missing here? These guys, they can just fabricate. They can bring this stuff towards these storage areas for like metals and glass. And these guys are making metals, and these guys are making glass. And they say not enough raw materials, while there are more than enough raw materials available. Now that is what I call odd, because these things are totally not filled up yet. So maybe it has something to do with the export options over here. Now I think I am going to put like a roundabout here, because I think, I don't know, maybe it's needed. Let's make it a 3-lane, a little bit smaller, like something like that. Yeah. Also make sure it's set proper. Control Shift click with dedicated turning lanes and all that kind of stuff. And then these options, of course, well, you know me, you know already me, you know, with that. And yeah, that's doing okay. Now what I'm wondering is like, are these guys still complaining? These guys are complaining about... What are you talking about? You have ore. You don't have ore. Is the production? No, these things are chock-a-block. Wait a second. Maybe I'm missing the workers' barracks. Maybe. Oh yes, of course, the worker barracks. We don't have any worker barracks. How big are those things? Those are these ore industry worker barracks. Okay, oh, they're pretty small actually. Nice. So what about putting those things on like a separate road? You know, a simple separate road that will go just from, let's say, from here, yeah, to there, just all the way to there, because, you know, just because, like that. I don't know, this road, ooh, that's a serious incline here. Can this thing be put up into the air or not? Yeah, it can be put up in the air, but not in the way I wanted it. So, okay. It's not needed to connect that actually up, you know. I can just use paths, you know, that these people can walk there. So this is the ore workers barrack, and I will just place them here, and I put like, you know, a pathway in between so they can walk. Every 2 of them, like 2, and then 2, 2, 2, and 2. And here it's a little bit tricky because of that road, so I'm making 3 here and keeping the space over here, which is nice. It's all fine and well. And here there's a little bit of finagling going on because of yeah, because the road ends. Okay, that makes kind of sense. Now what I need to do is like make pathways so they can walk to their destination. Okay, we will do that. So we take this option and say like, okay, you walk to your other side. And let's do it the right way. Just like that. Yeah. And let me see. 1, 2, here they will do the same thing, but here I say like you go up into the air to the other side, and from here on I say like okay, go to there, in between here to there, down here. Yeah, so they walk in both directions. From here they can do the same. They can also, yeah, that's a good idea to get them to here, and then come on, does not want to, home. Okay, I will drag it with the move it mod, so you get to there, thank you. Where did we stay? Here. Oh yeah, also here. Just, home. That's it. They can walk to these facilities. Now they can walk to those facilities, which is nice. I also want them to do it from here. Go over the road, like with this, 5 units. And just go to, yeah, all the way to here. Yep, that works out nicely. And then from here to there. And then home. Yep, to there. Also to there, home. Nice. And from here I can say, let's just go from here to here and connect it up to there. Right. And here, yep, home, and then to there. So what is this show called? Delta Disasters. Now where are actually the disasters? I don't know what is going on, but so far we have no disasters. Now I could say, yeah, that's nice, but to be honest, yeah, I don't know. So these guys are still complaining about not enough raw materials, but these things are piling up. What is wrong? What am I missing? This is ore, right? These guys complaining about trash. Well, they always do. But okay, let's humor them and say like, okay, you get, here you go, you get an eco trash burner next to your face. That's fine with me. So what is actually happening over here? I mean, these guys, they get here. So why are these guys not, is it because these things are filled up? No, they are not filled up, but they are also set to balanced. Well, balanced, actually they should be set to empty because it's all like export they will be doing. But enough going on around here for export, so don't know about the train though. I did not see any train yet. Now there's a train line going here as well, so I would be able to connect this line here up to this line for future options. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, this junction worked out pretty nice, except a little piece I forgot on this side. Yeah, I'm forgetting multiple things, so let's take this option and then select you and you. Well, also you and you, because, well, okay, now select this option, that option, and that option. I don't know what it will do with the slope. Control Z. Took the entire roundabout down. Okay, that's not the idea. Okay, I have a better idea. Let's use the electrics mod and say like, come on, we're going to remove that node. Yes. Yes, then we take the move it mod. Take this node. Will you stop pestering? Please, thank you. Oh, wait a second, it even deforms the entire roundabout. No, that's not the idea. Now what is the problem here? I'll turn it around. Okay, that should be better. Now let's select this, this, and this. Now let's try this again. Slope. Yeah, that's better. How about my roundabout? Has it been disformed or not? No, it seems okay. How about the other side? So we have like, yeah, we have like too many nodes actually. We have 1, 2. So with the electrics mod I can remove a node. And you go away. Electrics mod, remove a node, which will be this one. Yes, then I take the move it mod and I drag this one a little bit closer, like that. Yeah, bend it a little bit, yes. Now take the road and say like turn it around, and also select the move it mod again. Select this, this and this. And now say like slope. Now, isn't that perfect? Look at that. Ooh, that sky is ominous. And also, ooh, these inclines are also pretty stark, if you ask me. Shall we fix them? Why not? Do we have time for that? You know, these episodes always turn out to be pretty long, yeah. Let's just do it. Yeah, let's just do it like this and this. Okay. Take the node, this one. Then we take this node, and this node. And let's see, slope. Yeah, it's better. Now let's do the same here. This node, and this node. And slope it. Yeah, it's not entirely perfect, but that's because this node is not sitting perfectly in the middle. Now let's... No, my life. Now let's shiftify this over. Yeah, now it's in the middle, and now you can see it's nicely angled. All this messing around did not do the roundabout that much good, but it is still working pretty nicely. So, anyway, why these guys are complaining is actually a mystery to me, but that is something I will have to figure out in the next episode of Delta Disasters, in which I still don't have any disasters. So I am kind of baffled, you know, you guys, why there was no single disaster. And it's like, you know, yeah, options, it's turned on to maximum. So shoot me. I have no idea. No disasters. So, and also why these guys are complaining is like, yeah, it's like a mystery to me. Anyway, can I put like this roundabout, this nice thing? Well, we could, but now off screen I will try to figure out why the industry is not really getting, well, what it needs. But this is a better view from here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this will work out nicely. Okay guys, thank you for watching this part 24, and I hope to be as soon as possible back with 25. Tomorrow I have to go to work again, so it's now 6 p.m. Sunday evening, and my work starts tomorrow at 7 a.m. And yeah, I will have a look at this map and see if there is anything wrong, because I don't have the time for it to troubleshoot right now. But I will tell you definitely what is going on around here. If I missed something, you know, anything. Maybe there are maybe there's a poltergeist in my computer. Who knows? Anyway, we will see the next time. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in part 25. See you. Bye bye.